I'm ready for it.
Alright guys, we're playing this game. It's called Blue Screen of Death.
Yes.
Wait, did you seriously just start the recording here?
Yep.
Why not?
And you don't edit?
Nope. What's the matter, Radmir?
Oh my god!
What's the matter, Radmir? Huh?
Welcome to Neon Cabaret, where...
What's the
Oh,
matter,
never
Radmir?
mind, it's all good!
What's the matter, Radmir?
The,
What is the intro?
Radomir is the only one who knows how to record things
Yes.
properly.
Here's the intro.
Meh,
I want that Nintendo
What's his
sign.
story?
720p.
Oh my god.
So the reason why it's 720p is because, you know,
That's the
I'm
capture
actually
card
playing on
output.
the N64.
There's like 7 little gay dinosaurs.
I'm pretty sure the max resolution on an N64 was closer to 360.
Yes, but so I can how I do it with the 720 is that I run it through a HDMI
You run it through a
converter.
capture card. No, you run it through. Oh my god, that
Yep.
is the closest way to do it. All right, well at least it works.
Oh yeah, I've done it for the Wii. I didn't do it with the PlayStation because the PlayStation 3 is, you know. All right, we gotta wipe the memory.
You know you can use component cables, right? For the PS3. Ah, never mind. It costs money.
No,
I won't rail on you for not spending more money.
There's this little
but
tiny
I
thing.
will rail on
there's
you
a
for not
cord.
fucking editing.
There's a cord.
Skate.
Continue data. Yes.
Something tells me we should have done all of this before we
No,
hit
I just
record.
wanted to show them. It's like, yes, I'm starting from new.
Okay.
This is
Too
why,
late.
no. This is why you should open up that free editing software that I
Oh,
sent
I
you.
do. I use it.
Then why don't you just? Why do both you and
Slacker?
Slacker do countdowns? Just start the recording. Say, hey, I started the recording. We're gonna do the intro now. Do the intro and then crop it in post. Whatever. Fuck it. We're playing.
Oh my gosh! Fruit.
Oh, this reminds me of the
Yes.
Shouter's
Yes,
no fruit.
Yes. Be the black one.
Be the black one.
Be the black
It's
one.
not and
Yay! Ugh! It's a scary guy.
Yeah, scary.
Crawling
I love this game,
in
man.
my
Yeah.
skin.
So-
Can't wait to see you fuck it up.
I know.
Boo,
I already told
one
Miles that I'm gonna fuck it up on purpose. He's like, oh great, now because he had
No.
Radmir. I'm
No,
gonna.
you're not.
You guys.
No, you never fuck it up on purpose. Like, especially when you audibly say "oops" and things like that. Like, you very clearly don't fuck it up on purpose.
Oops.
Oops. Whoopsie me. That's not
press
supposed
start,
to be like that.
and you'll see Yoshi's mood much more. What
Much
do you
more.
mean?
Press start. Press start.
Oh,
you
look at that
jerk.
sunflower. I don't like it.
It's in
what's
Mario
Yoshi's
Winking at
64.
me.
favorite is all. Yoshi's
It's
mood.
winking at me.
11:59. So what's your mood? I don't know. 11:59.
I'm going for a 4,000. A pretty big mood. Yeah.
Hey,
Yoshi's
wake
in
up.
a
Hey,
pretty
wake
big
up.
mood.
What is this thing?
You know the
Erase it.
There's.
you know the fruit the fruit
Wake up all the-
in Yoshi kind of reminds me of the no fruit from Shouter. You ever watch Shouter?
You mean
Wait,
chowder?
Yeah.
Chowder?
Yeah.
Oh,
Shouter was
Chowder.
amazing.
You mean
Yeah,
chowder?
Showered crap. Anyway.
Shower, yes. I
Chowder.
love taking a shower. I like chowder.
Chowder. Why did I fuck that up?
I
Why did I
love.
fuck that up?
I love
Chowder.
that.
Chowder. Yeah.
Yeah, that
it's
show
Chowder.
died young. The fact that so many shows exist now and Chowder was killed off young.
You know,
Chowder was
Gumball.
amazing.
Chowder ended. It had an actual end.
Yeah, it had an actual
Yeah, like, they
end and
gave
all
it an
that, But
ending.
it's still ended prematurely. Come on.
Yeah, no.
We could have done a lot
It's
more
like saying.
shit.
Yeah, no, it's like saying Invader Zim
There's
had a
gonna be a
season
movie.
finale or a series finale. It technically did,
Well,
but that was after Jonas Vasquez was fired, effectively.
Who?
The creator for Invader Zim.
Oh.
well, at least the comics exist now.
What?
There's
what?
comics?
Yeah, the
Oh.
Invaders Sim comics. You
Yeah.
don't know that?
I never knew that.
Start.
It
Where
started
am I
up a
running?
couple
Yeah,
years
they're
ago.
made from comics. They're really good. They feel just like they came from the show.
Do they break the fourth wall like they do in the
Yes.
actual show?
Yeah.
Do they make
Oh, yeah.
the CN, like the CN Cartoon Network reference with like, where they're like, oh, how do you get this sticker off?
Oh no,
and then like
the
Shadow
comics are
points.
the comics are a bit different from the show.
Go.
They're
They
not gonna
added
follow it
in
beat for
a
beat for
moose.
beat.
Okay, no,
No,
I
no,
need
the moose was always there.
No, no, they added. It was
No.
That's the. Are you talking about
the
the
mini
Splash show?
moose. Moose. The squishy
Wait,
moose
Chowder.
No,
story
Minnie
that-
Moose was
Chowder.
always in the story. Minnie Moose was always in the story.
He wasn't. He was gonna be in like season 3.
No, Minnie Moose was in the TV show.
No,
He just had a smaller
Oh,
Oh,
role.
it's a
no.
DC comic?
No.
We're having
was
big
the
feels
big
right
moose.
now.
No, the Minnie Moose was in the TV show too.
Okay, then show me proof.
As
I'm fucking catching up on Deadly Premonition right now. Chill
I don't know.
yourself.
You know,
Whoa,
stick,
whoa,
stick the
whoa.
moose in the middle of the video or something.
Wait,
Jake doesn't edit.
what do you?
Like, I don't.
What's the part of I don't really edit you never got so far?
He
He
just
really
pressed
should.
record and he goes.
What
Jake.
the-
Learn.
It's pretty easy.
I
Go,
don't- Okay, apparently this is the thing.
we should be talking about the game.
What? What? This is a game?
Yeah, it is.
Wow, I didn't know that.
Whoa, goodness me. Yoshi's going Super Saiyan for 4.
No, no, he's definitely having an orgasm. Come on.
Going Super Saiyan
Oh,
4.
that fruit. Oh.
I did not need to hear that.
Oh, I want more, baby.
Give me more bananas.
I seriously did not need to hear that.
Come on, he wants she wants a kumquats. Anal beads.
Oh yeah, Yoshi's mood is now 226,480.
Yeah, it's a big mood. It's a
Big
big
boy,
mood.
big mood. Alright, how long was this? This wasn't very long.
I always. Oh god.
I don't know.
I'll do a
I thought
second.
that
I'll do
Yoshi
it.
games were meant to be.
Dude,
totally
how about you, like,
short
two
Yeah,
videos.
okay. Yeah, Minnie Moose apparently made his debut in the TV show in the final episode in the series, which is why I remember him.
Wait, who was he? Shouter's apprentice?
No, in Invader Zim.
Oh.
Yeah, Minnie Moose made his debut in the most horrible Xmas ever. Which,
I thought I was like you were talking about Shouter.
no,
Oh, the one
Chowder.
from Santa.
yeah.
I
Forgot
thought,
about that one.
I thought you were talking about Minnie Moose and Chowder too. Come on, I think Minnie Moose is a name of fruit of a type of pie, isn't it?
No, no, moose is a kind of chocolate. Minnie Moose is a fucking small moose.
That squeaks like a plush toy.
Or are you talking about like the moose from the moose from like Camp Laszlo?
No, no.
Oh, you mean
Compass.
yeah, it's got my. I love the ending for that. You ever watch the ending for Camp Laszlo? You ever remember what the ending was?
I don't remember the ending.
Well, we could talk about it in the
watching
next episode.
Oh. Bye-bye.
Yeah. So, this is again one of my greatest complaints. I'm going to stretch it out because you could.
I can keep on going.
No, I'm going. I'm still going.
Well, I'm gonna sign off.
It's
I've
only
been
been
real.
10 minutes.
I've been
dude.
real, just
It's
Jake,
only-
and with me have been.
Me,
Tech
bros,
support.
pros.
Again.
Oh, no, I'm not tech support. I'm
No,
bros,
I'm
pros.
tech support.
And
Okay.
I've always been tech support, and it kind of
tell us,
hurts.
say your name.